In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite someone to your Tailnet via Admin Console. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, which option to choose, and how to set the right role so your new teammate or collaborator can connect smoothly. First, open the Tailscale Admin Console and sign in. Once you're in, look for the Users section. You'll typically find it in the main navigation of the console. This page lists everyone who currently has access to your Tailnet, which is your private, secure network of devices managed by Tailscale. From the Users page, initiate an invitation by clicking the Invite External Users or Invite Users button. The exact label can vary slightly, but they both take you to the same place, the invitation workflow. Here, you have two straightforward ways to bring someone in. The first option is email. Enter the person's email address and then choose the role you want them to have. You'll see choices like owner, admin, and member. Member is usually the right fit if they just need to use devices on your Tailnet without changing settings. It keeps things secure and simple. Admin is for people who help manage users or settings. Owner is the highest level, typically reserved for the person responsible for overall administration and billing. Before you send the invite, double-check the email address so the invitation lands in the right inbox. The second option is Invite Link. Here, you can generate a single-use link or a reusable link. A single-use link is great when you're inviting one person and want tight control. A reusable link is helpful for a small group joining at the same time, like a team onboarding session. After you generate the link, copy it and share it through a secure channel your organization uses. Keep in mind that anyone with a reusable link can use it until you change it or your policies expire it, so share thoughtfully. As part of the invitation, you'll select the person's role. Again, member is typically sufficient for day-to-day access to devices on the Tailnet. Choose admin only if they truly need to manage settings or users, and reserve owner for the person who oversees the entire Tailnet structure. You can always review roles later as your needs evolve. That's all there is to it. Log in, go to Users, send the invite by email or link, and select an appropriate role. With these steps, you'll keep your Tailnet organized, secure, and easy for new people to join.